Standard parameters of angular motion, angular displacement, just like the linear displacement. We all know very well, in the straight line motion, linear displacement is known as the final position minus initial position, or we can say shortest distance between the initial point and final point. Similarly, when the object is moving along the circular path, let I say initially at time t equal to 0, object is at the point A. After some time t equal to t, object reaches at point B. The angle subtended at the center of the circle, that angle theta, is known as the angular displacement. So angular displacement is known as the angle subtended at the center of circle during the circular motion, and it is represented by the symbol theta. This is known as the theta, and SI unit of angular displacement is known as radian. So angular displacement, like here I have shown in the diagram, if you stretch two hands, then the angle subtended is known as the angular displacement. And in the circle, if the distance traveled along the arc is given by s is known as the linear displacement, or you can say arc length. So theta is the angular displacement. It is written as the arc upon radius. Arc length is the s and radius is known as the r, and SI unit is radian. Angular velocity, like the linear velocity, we all know very well, linear velocity is known as rate of change of linear displacement, or you can say velocity is x upon t. Similarly, angular velocity is also known as rate of change of angular displacement. So it is the symbol of the angular velocity is omega. This w is the symbol, it is known as the omega. So omega is known as the rate of change of angular velocity. So rate of change of angular displacement. So angular displacement, if I say angular displacement is delta theta in time delta t, the angular displacement is known as the delta theta upon delta t, and its SI unit, theta, is measured in the radian, time is measured in second, so SI unit is known as the radian per second. So this is the definition of the angular velocity. Now direction of the angular velocity is given by the right hand thumb rule. Suppose you say this disc is rotating in the anti-clockwise direction. You curl the right hand finger along the direction of the rotation, then stretch thumb will give the direction of the angular velocity. So I hope it is visible to all of you. In this situation, angular velocity is vertically upward direction. If this disc rotates in the clockwise sense like this, then you stretch the right hand finger along the direction of the rotation of the disc, then stretch thumb, it will be along the inward direction. This is the direction of the angular velocity. Angular acceleration, we all know linear acceleration, that is rate of change of linear velocity. So we say acceleration is known as the change in velocity upon change in time. Similarly, angular acceleration is known as rate of change of angular velocity. So we will say angular acceleration, symbol is alpha, is known as the delta omega upon delta t. Delta omega किस में मेजर करते हैं? Radian per second. So it is radian per second, and time itself is measured in second. So the SI unit of the alpha is written as radian per second square. Time period. Time period is known as the time taken to complete one oscillation in the simple pendulum. All of you have seen the simple pendulum situation. There is a string. You attach a bob and you just displace toward one side and it starts to oscillate. Now दिस इज द मीन पोजीशन. यहाँ से एक्सट्रीम पे जाता है, एक्सट्रीम से वापस मीन पे आता है, फिर इस एक्सट्रीम पे जाता है, फिर घूम के वापस यहाँ आता है. इसको हम लोग कहते हैं एक ऑसिलेशन. सो वन ऑसिलेशन में जितना टाइम लगता है उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? टाइम पीरियड. सिमिलरली इन द सर्कुलर मोशन, सपोज ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर रहा है सर्कुलर मोशन एंड इट इज कमिंग टू द सेम पोजिशन आफ्टर ट्रेवलिंग सम डिस्टेंस. जो टाइम लगता है कंप्लीट वन सर्कल, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं टाइम पीरियड. ऐसा यूनिट इज सेकेंड. सो दिस इज द टाइम पीरियड. व्हाट इज द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ द सेकंड हैंड ऑफ द वॉच? अब ध्यान से देखो, ये सेकंड हैंड पूरा एक ऑसिलेशन यानी एक सर्किल कितनी देर में कंप्लीट कर लेगा? यू विल से इट विल टेक 60 सेकंड. सो टाइम पीरियड ऑफ सेकंड हैंड वॉच इज 60 सेकंड. टाइम पीरियड ऑफ मिनट हैंड. अब मिनट हैंड को कितना टाइम लगेगा? सपोज ये आपका मिनट हैंड ये वाला है, ये यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो इट विल टेक कंप्लीट पूरा एक सर्किल करने में 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट, 30 मिनट, 45 मिनट एंड 60 मिनट. सो यू विल से इट विल टेक 60 मिनट. व्हाट इज द टाइम पीरियड द आवर एंड? अब आवर एंड को यहाँ से चलना है, कितना टाइम लगेगा वो आपको देखना है. 1 आवर, 2 आवर, 3 आवर, 6 आवर, 9 आवर and you will say 12 hours. It will take 12 hours. So this time period of second end is 60 seconds, minute end is 60 minutes, and hour end is 12 hours. Frequency is known as the number of oscillations in 1 second. 1 second में कितने oscillation होते हैं, 1 second में कितने circle complete होते हैं. Suppose I say you are taking a circular path like this, and you say that the 40 circle is completed in 10 seconds. So frequency क्या होता है? Number of circle in 1 second. तो 1 second में कितने circle complete कर रहे हो आप? 40 divided by 10, that is a 4 circle. So what is the frequency in this situation? That is 4. So frequency की unit क्या होती है? Hertz, and it is written as the symbol Hz. So frequency is known as the number of revolution completed in 1 second. That is known as a frequency. Its unit is Hertz. Relation between time period t and frequency n. अब frequency को किसी book में n भी लिखा होता है, किसी book में new लिखा होता है. New, italic V is the symbol of the new. Now how will you write the relation between time period and frequency? Let I say frequency is n. If n is the frequency, it means you will say number of oscillations in 1 second is n. यानी कि आप लोग कहोगे n circle is completed in 1 second. That is the frequency. Number of circle in 1 second. तो टाइम पीरियड क्या था? टाइम टेकन टू कंप्लीट 1 सर्किल. तो 1 सर्किल को कंप्लीट होने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? इट विल बी 1/n सेकेंड. सो वी विल से टाइम पीरियड इज गिवन बाय 1 फ्रीक्वेंसी, और फ्रीक्वेंसी इज गिवन बाय 1 टाइम पीरियड. You can also write this frequency is new, that is given by 1 time period.